With the new iOS update, we don't just have dark mode available for our iPhone, but we also have dark mode specifically for the apps. So I'm going to show you how to turn your apps into dark mode today. It's really simple, but it is more than just going into our control center here and making sure that dark mode is on. This is not actually going to change your apps into dark mode. Instead, what we want to do is edit our actual widgets and our little home screen right here. So what we want to do is tap and hold, and then we want to select up here in the upper left hand corner where it says edit. And once we do that, then we want to go into customize. Now, once you're inside customize here, you're going to see a couple different options, and 3 of them are important when it comes to light and dark mode for your apps. So we currently by default are on light mode, but if I go ahead and switch it to dark mode, then you're going to notice that all of my apps turn dark. Now, these are going to stay dark even if I turn my phone on to light mode as far as my control center goes. So if I go into my control center, turn it off of dark mode here, you're going to notice that my apps still stay in dark mode. So the other thing that we can do if we want it to kind of toggle off and on when it comes to if we have dark mode or light mode on our phone, then we can go to automatic. Now this is going to follow whatever I put my control center into. So you'll notice that right now I am currently in light mode, so all of my apps turn to light. But if I go into dark mode again, then all of my apps will now turn dark. So couple different options here. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.